Hello guys, let's continue again. Let's see how to use input function in Python. Let's start the Python REPL by giving the command python. Once it is started, I will declare a variable x to hold my input. To take the input in Python, we just need to call the input function. That's it. Now we are ready to take the input. As soon as I call the input function, the program execution will be halted and it will wait till the time I have given the input. As soon as I give the input, the program will continue again. Now I can print my variable x, or I can also check the type of that variable x. So it should work perfectly fine. So here the type is of string. The input function in Python is basically a blocking function, so it means it will halt our code execution till the time we have given the input. Here I have given my input as 12, which is an integer, but the input function will automatically convert it to the string class. The input function automatically converts everything to the string class irrespective of our input. As we already know that in Python the input is automatically typecasted to the string irrespective of what was the input. So if we are making a calculator, then we require input in form of integers or in floats only. Then we need to again typecast our input. So we will be typecasting as it is shown on the screen. We will be wrapping our input function into another function which is int in Python, and then our input will be automatically converted to the class integer. Similarly, to take float as our input, we just need to typecast the input function with float and it should work well. So here is a small example on the screen. Here I have given a floating number as the input. Once I have given the input, I have printed the same on the screen using the variable x. After printing it, I have also checked the type of it, and the type is float. If we are typecasting our input function, then we should make sure that the given input is compatible with the typecasting, otherwise it will show error. So here you can see on the screen that I have typecasted my input for float, but I am giving ABC as the input, which is a string. In this case, the program will fail and will provide an error. That's all for today. My new video will be uploaded soon. Thank you.